Have you ever tried to talk to someone about something really important and it just felt like they didn't get you? Have you ever felt misunderstood, alone, or overwhelmed? If so, this space was created for you. Hello, brave friend. Welcome to the listening place. This place is for you. I created this place because I know how hard life can be sometimes. I know how it feels to be in a room with many people and to feel completely alone. I know what it feels like to be misunderstood and to struggle with that. I am not here to replace parents, teachers, counselors, or therapists. I'm just another adult who is here for you, who will give you sound advice and care, and who will listen to you. I struggled through my teenage years. I felt alone. I felt like no adult could possibly understand what I was going through. I felt like they only worried about themselves, about their own problems, and I was an afterthought. As much as that hurt. And it did. It helped me to become the adult that I am today. And I wish that I had had someone, anyone like me, who could have helped. Because if I did, I think things would have turned out a little differently for me. But I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to help you. And a small part of me, I think, wants to help heal teenaged Rebecca and show her that she will be okay and that you will be okay. I have a very special place in my heart for teenagers. I was a teacher for 15 years. I have interacted with thousands of teenagers through my life, and also while I was in the classroom. I have this great ability to connect to teenagers, and I think it has a lot to do with the fact that I really distinctly remember what it felt like to be a teenager. I know what it feels like for nothing to make sense, for there to be what feels like 1,000 emotions coursing through your brain, your heart, and your body. The listening place is a place that is meant to make sense for you. It's a place that is meant to give you sound advice, either through question and answers, through storytelling, through interviews. These are all things that you will find here, all resources that will help you. And I'll be sure to also give you resources that may help you. My goal is to reach you. Just you. And if you're here, you are part of a community of people. You are part of the Listening Place community. And I am a member, helping to guide. Here, we'll talk about real struggles. We'll talk about friend problems, and we'll talk about anxiety, mental health issues, family drama, anything that might cause problems or issues for you. We'll talk about self-worth. We'll talk about self-doubt. pressure that you may be experiencing in school and out of school. I'll be doing these videos again with advice, with questions from real teens, questions from you. I will also, again, be doing storytelling about my own life, about other people who have experienced different things over the years that I have personally interacted with. I plan to do interviews with real teenagers and with the adults who impact your lives. The listening place is for you. This is a place where there is an adult who will talk with you, not at you. Because you are a young adult and you deserve the respect of a listening ear. Again, I do want to answer questions from you, so that means I do want to hear from you. In the comments, there is a Google form that is linked for you. It is completely anonymous. Absolutely zero personal information will be collected from you. And hopefully in the future, I'll be able to answer your question on my channel, our channel. I want you to know that my honest human perspective, along with my experiences with thousands of teenagers, as well as my own life, will make this channel unlike any other you've ever experienced. This is a no judgment zone. You'll be spoken to. You'll be heard. If you're listening right now, I want you to know that you're not alone. Even if you feel like you are absolutely not alone. If this feels like a place that you've been looking for, please subscribe. This shows me that this also matters to you. I want to hear from you. So please drop a comment below and answer the question, what's one thing you think adults need to know about teens today? Thank you for visiting. Remember who you are. Remember what you stand for. And return with honor.